Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Diwali is just round the corner. There are just 2 days left for Diwali and I am really excited about the whole festivity. Past 2 years have been really rough and we were not actually able to celebrate Diwali with the family because of the whole situation that was there. But I am really excited that this time things would change and I would be able to meet my family and friends and celebrate Diwali with all of them. I know you guys are as excited as I am for the coming Diwali. Now coming to the point of this particular video. In today's video I would be talking about a few makeup products, or I should say a few affordable makeup products that are a really good investment and are perfect for the festive season. Now you might say that it is just 2 days for Diwali and it is pretty late, but all of these products are so easily available on Nykaa and even in the offline stores that you can easily go to your nearest retailer and buy any of them. I did a similar video last year also where I talked about 15 different affordable makeup products, and honestly saying I still use those products, I still stand by those products. But in the past year I have tried so many more affordable products that I would like to add to the previous list. If you haven't watched my last year video, then I would be linking that video in the description box down below and somewhere on the I button, so you can check out those particular 15 products that I talked about last year, and then you can come back to today's video where I am talking about a few other products, and some of these are actually new launches, some of these have been launched like around a few months back. So yes, now without talking more, let's jump into the list. So the first product that I would like to mention, which I actually tried only a few weeks back, is by the brand Swiss Beauty. I've talked about the brand a lot in my videos, but I haven't actually talked about their eyelashes. These particular eyelashes from the brand just retail for 99 rupees. They are very affordable and they obviously can be reused if you just clean them properly. They are very easy to reuse as well. I am currently wearing one of the variants of Swiss Beauty eyelashes, and the one that I am wearing is called Nubia. Now I love how beautiful they are. They are very affordable. Like you get MAC eyelashes I guess for somewhere around 1500, and for that price you can easily get a 15 pair of eyelashes from Swiss Beauty. Now I'm not too sure about the difference in the quality of MAC eyelashes and Swiss Beauty eyelashes because honestly I haven't tried MAC eyelashes, but as far as I have tried these Swiss Beauty eyelashes and I love it. They are very easy to use, they are very affordable, and they definitely can be reused. The next product that I would like to mention in this video is a foundation, and it is by the brand Miss Claire. Now this Miss Claire Everyday Foundation, I have made a full review video on this particular foundation. It retails for just 325 rupees, which I won't say is like super cheap, but for the price range of 325 rupees it is really difficult to get a decent foundation. Unfortunately the particular one that I am holding right now is not my exact shade, but I love how this particular foundation works on my skin. So if you are looking for an affordable foundation, and maybe you have just tried Maybelline's Fit Me foundation, which by the way I included in my last year's video, so if you have tried that and you want to try some other very affordable foundation, then Miss Claire's Everyday Foundation is a very good option. The next product that I am including in this video is something that I am talking about in almost like every second video of mine, and it is this beautiful Mars Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Now I am talking about this palette non-stop because I am really surprised with the way this particular palette performs. It contains 15 beautiful color options in like all color ranges for every festive look that you can think of, and this particular one retails for just 299 rupees. It is easily available on Amazon and you can get it on like maybe in a 1 day or 2 day delivery. So if you are a colorful eyeshadow lover and do not want to invest a lot of money in buying a very high-end eyeshadow palette, then this Mars Cosmetics 15 color fantasy eyeshadow palette is a very good option for you. Now the next product that I want to mention in this video is again something that I have just recently bought and talked about. I have made a full review video on this particular product, and it is again by the brand Miss Claire. It is Miss Claire's makeup palette. I'll just quickly show you how this looks like. This is how the palette looks like, and it does contain a full-size mirror right here. These are all the beautiful eyeshadow colors that you get in this particular palette, and it is not just this. Like a typical makeup palette, you can open this up and you do have 4 shades of lipstick, 4 shades of blushes, and 2 shades of powder as well. And the best part is that this particular palette retails for just 650 rupees. Now you might say that 650 rupees is not very affordable. Yes, certainly it is not as affordable as I promised it would be, but as I said, it is an affordable makeup video, so this particular palette can easily be bought on a discount for under 400 rupees. So I guess 400 rupees for so many products is not a bad deal, specifically when these products are of decently good quality. If you're interested in seeing how this particular makeup palette works and how does the pigmentation of this palette works, I would be linking the review video of this palette in the description box as well as on the I button right here. Now the next product that I am including in this video are a fairly newly launched liquid lipsticks, and it is none other than by the brand Nykaa. Nykaa recently came up with their all day matte lipsticks, and I have 5 shades from the collection. I have done a review and a swatch video of all the 5 shades that I particularly have, and these particular lipsticks retail for just 349 rupees, and they are available in 10 color options. I am currently wearing the shade Darling Daughter on my lips, and I would certainly say that it is very comfortable to wear, and as you can see, it is perfect for the festive season. The next product that I am including in this video is by the brand K Beauty, and it is their liquid eyeliners. Now these liquid eyeliner comes in 7 or 8 color options, and I have 3 colors with me right here. I have had these since the day they actually launched, which was quite a while back, and they do have the same consistency till date. These particular eyeliners somehow makes the eyeliner application so easy, and I just love using them. I had like 3 colorful shades with me, and I recently bought the black one too. That's how much I love these particular eyeliners. These eyeliners retail for 499 rupees, but with the Diwali sale on Nykaa, you can get it on a 15 or a 20% discount. The next product that I have with me is by the brand Mama Earth, and this is their newly launched kajal pencil. Mama Earth have been one of my favorite brands since the day I tried their Upton range of face wash and face scrub and everything, but recently they came up with their kajal and kohl, and this is the kajal pencil, and it is actually a retractable pencil which retails for just 299 rupees. Now what I basically loves about this pencil is the fact that this is a waterproof pencil. It do not smudge whatsoever, and so it is definitely long lasting and perfect for festive wear. With this, I am towards the end of my video, and there is just one more product that I would like to mention. The last product that I have is again by the brand Swiss Beauty, and it is their Fusion highlighter. Now I do not currently have the highlighter with me because I have given it to my cousin, so I do not have this highlighter with me, but I love the way it looks on me. I have tried the shade 05, which is like a bronzy champagne sort of a shade, and it actually is very easy to use. They're very shiny. It has exactly the same kind of shine that I would prefer. It is very pigmented, and the best part is that it retails for just 299 rupees. So if you're looking for a highlighter which is affordable and which works perfectly, then Swiss Beauty Fusion highlighters are a perfect option for you. So this concludes today's video. If you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're interested interested in watching more makeup and fashion related content on my channel, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a very happy and safe Diwali. Namaste.